leading supplier of pipe stands and are constantly expanding and improving our product range. Our versatile folding tri-stands are designed with box section folding legs for maximum strength, ease of storage and transportation, and are height adjustable from 27 to 48 inches with an impressive load capacity of 1,000 kilograms. Fine adjustment is achieved by turning the handle to reach the desired height. Our fixed leg pipe stand has been designed to give you the highest quality pipe stand at the best price in today's market, using a 1¼ inch square tube box section for added strength and stability, whilst remaining light at only 11.5 kilograms. Our pipe stands are CE rated with the latest safety features. Available with our fixed or folding tri-stands are various interchangeable heads. All transfer heads are used for rotation and transferal movement of the pipe. By reversing the position of the heads, small and larger diameters of pipe can be accommodated. Nylon wheel heads are available for rotation of stainless steel pipe to prevent contamination. Stainless steel covers are available for the V-head to avoid contamination. Steel wheel heads are available for the rotation of carbon steel pipes. You can choose either the slip-on heads or the self-dedicated roller heads instead of the V-head. Our Duo pipe stand is height adjustable from 27 to 48 inches and uses our quick change style housing. Designed with self-centering adjustable heads for the support and or rotation of large diameter pipes of up to 48 inches, the wheels can be locked to prevent the pipe from rotating if desired. The Duo is strong, robust and stable. The Quattro pipe stand is used on pipes from 4 to 40 inches diameter. Optional caster wheels fitted to the base of the stand enable the Quattro to move pipes around a workshop or site without the use of a crane or forklift. Our quick change roller stand is designed for rotation of all pipe sizes up to 48 inches. Our heavy duty roller stands are designed to be either floor or bench mounted for the rotation or feeding of pipes from 4 to 48 inches. Wheels are available in either nylon, steel or ball transfer.
This is the BNC50 cutting edge saw from BN Products USA. This spring-loaded guide helps keep material perpendicular when being cut. It also helps guide the tool, providing a squared-off end. The unit comes with 2 handles, so the tool can easily be used to cut in either direction. This workhorse has a 7-inch blade and can be used on all kinds of material found on the job site. It works great on rebar up to size 8. And can even cut all thread, leaving it cool to the touch and burr-free.
Climbing is one of the most dangerous aspects of the job site. Ladders account for most of the falls in industry and construction. Most falls occur at the top of the ladder. That is why Ellis Fall Safety created the GrabSafe Portable, the latest in ladder safety technology. Research by Dr. Nigel Ellis proves that maximum safety at the top of an extension ladder requires horizontal handholds. Vertical handholds and stepping sideways from extended ladders increases the chances of slipping or falling. The patented GrabSafe Portable device simply mounts to the top of your extension ladder and automatically provides the OSHA required 3 feet of extension above the roof edge. The wide spacing allows easy walkthrough onto the roof as well as confident transition from the roof back onto the ladder. With the GrabSafe Portable, the worker can balance with the important 3-point control at all times. This improves work safety and morale, as well as reduces liabilities and risks.
The patented Ardwolf Slab Lifter is an accessory for lifting and moving slab form loads. The Aardwolf slab lifter incorporates a spring-loaded latch that automatically releases the lifter from the slab once the slab has been fully lowered to the ground. This makes the process of lifting and lowering of slabs a one-man operation. Requires only a small movement of the slab to engage and grip the slab, which is generally well below the overbalance angle, thus eliminating the danger to the operator. Ideal for construction work. Because the clamping mechanism is to the front of the slab, they allow panels to be placed close against walls.
Typical feather bores where you require one set to hold the stock down and another set to hold it against the fence. These stock guides control your stock in both directions with one tool. They adjust very quickly, requiring only one knob to be loosened to adjust each guide. They have 2 3/4 of an inch of total travel, and they can accommodate stock to 9/16 of an inch below the mounting T-slot. To adjust your clear-cut stock guides, slide the stock into position, apply the pressure that you desire against the stock, and then lock the knobs, and you're ready to go. For long-term routing, the clamping knobs can be tightened with a 1/4 inch Allen key. Clear-cut stock guides are designed to be used on router tables and shaper tables. Now we're going to raise our router bit for the desired cut and then lock it in position. For woodworkers who don't have a T-slot on their fence, there's an accessory mounting plate available for shop-made router table fences. Notice how the urethane guide rollers pull the stock into the fence and keep it securely in this position. Your stock is continuously pulled towards the fence. The rollers are mounted to one-way bearings, preventing any kickback. The guide rollers on the clear-cut stock guides are set at a 5-degree angle. This pulls the stock towards the fence as it also holds it down. Machining end grain on the short side of a board can be difficult even at the best of times, and usually you can't get a set of feather boards there to help hold it in position. You can machine end grain with confidence with clear-cut stock guides because they hold the stock to the fence at the fence. Because the stock is held securely in all directions, you can achieve smoother, more precise cuts with clear-cut stock guides. Holding a long board to the fence while you're starting your cut can be extremely difficult. Clear-cut stock guides are like an extra set of hands, pulling the stock towards the fence as you concentrate on feeding it forward.
Remember when people provided warmth and shelter for their families with nothing but an axe and some good old-fashioned willpower? It's about time to get you back to your roots with the Wind Lumberjack. This 6-ton electric log splitter has the capacity to take on logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20 inches in length without requiring a single drop of gasoline to do it. There are no fumes, minimal noise, plus a required two-handed operation to keep you safe from this beauty's 12,000 pounds of log packing pressure. Not only is it useful, but it's also a heck of a good time. The Wind Lumberjack includes a built-in log cradle for even splits, a 2-horsepower motor, and a wheel kit with rubber grip handles for maximum mobility. So what are you waiting for? Time to close your computers, get outside, and start your engines with the Wind Lumberjack.